Hey, good morning. This is T. Evans with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm going to be showing you a used Bennington. It's a 2019 RSR Fastback with a sport tower. It does have the blackout package, black panel with a champagne accent. It's a clean boat. It's only got 112 hours on it. Fastback makes it the fiberglass rear end, rear facing speakers. This was powered with the Mercury V8 250 stainless steel prop. Underwater lights on both outside tunes. You got a transom remote. Again, you got LED speakers, LED cup holders. You got a bimini on the tower. Again, this is it's a 23 RSR Bennington Fastback. So the overall length of the boat is 25 feet. Let's climb up top here. Got two nice lounges. Also comes with a safety kit. That's still in the boat here. Got under storage, under console storage, cup holder. Got a KMC 10 stereo. Mercury digital gauges, got a Garmin depth finder, fish finder. It is Mercury DTS. Nice captain's chair. You got nice lounge in the back on both sides, of course. Removable ski pylon. Again, that's the Mercury 250. The arch does collapse. For those needing to collapse it, got a bimini top. Very nice boat. It's located here in Greenville, South Carolina. MarineMax, located at 85 on White Horse Road. If you have any questions about this particular boat, give us a call, 864-236-9005. Thank you.